Good morning, afternoon, evening, middle of night, whatever time it is where you are. Hope you're all doing good. This is just going to be a quick morning flight really with the Avata 2. I have flown it again since the very first flight. It was really windy yesterday and it was just in my my most local kind of home spot just around the corner from where I live, so it wasn't particularly exciting footage because it's quite easy to overkill footage in that place, and I did that in the early days. So what can I say? It was about 27-mile-an-hour gusts. I didn't send it very far away. It handled it better than the other one, to be fair. Not a bad job. So yeah, if I'm testing anything right now, it's more just a fun flight, but if I'm testing anything right now, it's going to be the dynamic range, because I had quite a tiring week, so I didn't get up mega early, and it's way beyond golden hour now. It's just like past 9 o'clock, so the sun is quite harsh in the sky over there. So I've got an ND16 on. I got the 3 DJI ND filters when I got the drone, because I don't really like capturing footage without them, to be honest. So I've got those. Went for a 16 because I found that with the Avata 1, 32 would sometimes be too dark in even bright conditions. So we're going to see how this looks. This is a spot that I did capture a few videos with the previous one as well. So I guess we'll just have a look and see what it looks like. I tell you what, even just through the goggles, I forgot to feedback on this from the other day actually. You can really tell the difference in the dynamic range. Like, these conditions are pretty harsh right now. The sun is absolutely booming down, and yeah, just in the goggles you could still see detail and stuff. Like the shadows weren't completely crushed or anything like that. Looks so good. So yeah, really happy with D-Log M on this as well. I'll probably do a video soon matching some footage with, say, Mini 4 Pro footage, because it's going to be dead easy to grade together, and it's probably more of a fair test than up against the Mavic 3, for example, because the Mini 4 Pro and the Avata kind of have I think they have the same size sensor, don't they? So it's just a really good camera. I mean, proper impressive. Love it.